What's up, my babies, and welcome back to my channel. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley, and today we're going to be installing this beautiful waterway wig from start to finish. She does come courtesy of YWIGS, and of course I have a link to her in the description box. I thought I got a little bit of a dry spot right here, so let's just kind of give it a little H2O. Okay, that's much better. So today we are going for water wave. We want to give curly, big, fun hair. I wanted to give you guys something that was a little bit different than what I'm used to. Typically when I do curly and water wave hair, I want to wet it down with all the mousse. I want to dim and brush it and clump the curls together. Today I kind of like did that step, and you'll see that in the video, but then once it dried, I kind of just wanted to pull it out and have big Spice Girl hair, and then I went ahead and clipped it up like so. And I'm absolutely in love with the look and the vibe. It goes with the ambiance of today. Keep in mind, my channel is beginner friendly. I want to make sure that you can execute an install from start to finish, cut off the lace, bond the wig down, and get to where I am on your installs from home, so that you don't feel like you gotta pay $1 million for a stylist to do your hair. Okay guys, so this is the packaging here. As you guys can tell, I've already been in there because I already took the wig out of the plastic, and there is a set of wig caps inside, and of course our beautiful wig. You can see that lace right there against my hand in the light. The knots are not bleached, but the lace is gonna look really good. So you guys know we're gonna finesse the knots today. I'm gonna be using the Eben New York lace Wonderbond. I'm not even finessing, I'm not even capping. I don't know what they put in this, but this is giving like hair glue vibes. So I'm gonna go ahead and wet it down, because it's definitely gonna rip my edges if I just try to pull it off. Okay, putting the wig on, the first thing I noticed is that it actually fits snug, and this is exactly what I wanted. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the excess lace. Jag minns den tid du gav mig life-bilder, yo. Nu vill jag kunna ge tillbaka allt jag inte kunna ge förut. What you'll see is that when you go in and just pull out your baby hairs, it definitely will make it appear a little bit more plucked. Because a lot of times what they do is like they'll pluck behind the hairline, so in the parting you'll see it'll look good, but in front it won't. I can't find my tweezers anywhere, and I don't want to go upstairs, so I'm gonna just get ghetto and do what I've been doing. Don't do this at home. You can rip your lace.
En annan där som kan stå här by my side, oh why. Sättet du rör på det får mig att dö för dig, baby. För de här yardis, de vill ju bara dra ner oss. Men du är fett och vanlig. Och det jag lägger all min tid och jag vill ha dig. Du får mig känna safety. Jag kan nog leda dig, baby. Och jag kommer aldrig ändra mig. Aldrig. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Aldrig. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Varje gång jag bak på dig, jag tänker vilket kap jag har gjort. Jag skulle gå tillbaks i tid, göra om allt igen och förstå. Okay, we've got pretty girls here in the background, but let's just get back to work.
You say it's special, one of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your level, that's what you say, but all I hear is noise. I don't have time for trying my luck. I've been too hurt before. You're not that special. Just give it up. I think I've had enough. I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. can tell, so deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry that I'm no help, 'cause I'm full of myself. Boy, don't you worry, you'll find someone.
Baby girl, you're so fine, I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah, ooh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex, dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl, nah nah, ooh girl, nah nah. Fly me up with dreams, the only thing I need. When I'm down, lift me up with your company. There's no telling what you and me creating. We're on the same wavelength. Feel the beat tonight, something good inside. Set you free, let you lose all track of time. Come on, have a conversation. Don't treat me like a stranger. You give me motivation, make my life vacation. When we are together, I surrender. Give you all my money, make you look so lovely. Never feeling lonely. Baby girl, you're so fine, I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah, ooh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex, dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl, nah nah, ooh girl, nah nah. You're my island, tray of diamonds. It was fake, help me find you. You're a blessing, reminiscent of the time when I found myself guessing. Feel the beat tonight, something good inside. Set you free, let you lose all track of time. Come on, have a conversation.
We're gonna do a mousse down today. I'm gonna add, yeah, let's just do mousse on one side and see how it comes out and go from there. So this hair responds very well to the mousse. It's super soft. I wish you can like really see or feel in person. You can tell this one's gonna be very low maintenance. You don't have to like dim and brush or anything to make the curls pop. They just naturally do. And I love that about this wig. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this side.
I cannot really been addicted to you. All of my attention I've been giving to you. Caught up in my feelings, I got feelings for you. Caught up in my feelings.
So I installed the wig. You guys seen I styled it with the Nairobi mousse. Really love the turnout of that. But it's definitely been some time. So went upstairs, did my makeup, took a few calls, answered a few emails. The family is out of the house. But they're gonna be back sooner than expected. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I'm gonna style the hair. Now you guys seen with the mousse, I kind of like melted it down, but with this makeup and this hair, I kind of want big curls. So instead of like re-wetting it down or like that, I kind of wanna accentuate, how do you say it? Accentuate the fluff. I think that looks really good. You can go in and kind of use a little bit of mousse or a little bit of water to tame it to your needs, but I really want big hair. So I have these gold pins here. I wasn't even planning on pinning it, but it just sounds good in my hand. So let's see, these are gold, so like if you cross them or side by side, parallel, they look like a vibe. Remember we used to pin our hair like this, and then you would put those butterfly clips in? I actually have some of those for the girls.
On my mind, I can't lie. On my mind, I can't lie. Pull you down till you dry. Pull you down till you dry. All the time, ease my mind. All the time, ease my mind. I know that you're dangerous.
That's kind of cute, but should I cross them or should I keep them side by side like that? Or should I do side by side like that and then cross them after the fact? I don't know, but I'm feeling creative and I like it. I feel like every time you do your hair, you should have a little fun with it. I feel like I've been such a mom for these last few years. And just like only doing hairstyles that are like safe for mommyhood, safe to combat the kids. I'm just feeling like I'm just starting to get back to myself a little bit more and like finding the new me, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, not necessarily wanting the old me, because the old me was in her 20s, didn't really know what she wanted out of life. 30-year-old me knows exactly what I want out of life, and although I'm still finding myself, she definitely knows who she is right now, and she's just evolving slowly but surely into who she's going to be for the rest of her life. So you're never done learning, you're never done evolving, you're never done growing. Hopefully you always want to grow, but in between time, I hope you guys are always embracing who you currently are. So the Nairobi case is kind of acting a little bit silly, but I am going to add a little bit of water, because even though I pulled it out, I still want there to be definition. Like, I don't want there to be a confusion of what texture this hair is. This is the finished result. I feel like when I do curly hair, I always want to get it as curly as I can get it and lock that in. But today I kind of wanted big hair, big fun hair. I'm a baby hair girl, so I kind of brought some of that to life in this style. Let me know what you guys think of this look. Is it beautiful? Is it hitting? Is it age appropriate? How do you feel about it? And I kind of like the way that water is like glistening against my chest. I want to have fun with you guys. This channel is not meant to be serious and uptight. It's meant to be fun. Make sure you check out this one. I have a link to it in the description box. I'm Ashley Bedeck if you're tuning in for the first time. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches! Don't slip on the trip. Don't slip on the trail.